I'd say that we always go back to where we start, which is our clients, right? It always starts and ends with our clients. So first off, we would typically have a brainstorming session meeting with the investor, with the advisor, other related parties. We'd try and understand what they're looking for, what problems we need to solve for, risk, reward, any other thing that they give us details on. Typically, we'll check if we have products that might meet that and those needs already. However, many times we go back to the lab. We meet with our partners across the floor and across asset perspective and gain their insights with the information that we provided. And hopefully by the end, we've made a tailor-made product simply for our clients. I would say that at CIBC, our structured products really hit a wide range of investors, right? For instance, we can look at our institutional clients, high net worth investors, retail, and anywhere in between that. If I give you an example on how we customize, let's say an institutional account, many times they have very restrictive investment policy statements that only allow them to invest in fixed income. Now, because principal protected notes are deposit notes issued from CIBC, many times that will actually fit within their broader mandate. And by discovering this, now all of a sudden we're able to offer them a diversified way of getting exposure to the stock market versus traditionally just fixed income related products. If we look at on the opposite end of the spectrum from a retail perspective, a lot of pensioners out there that require frequent cash flows. So we take it back to our lab and design specific products for them based on the requirements they need: protection, yield, etc. I would start by saying that you could probably look at a slew of education materials that the banks and the issues have been creating, which has really ramped up over the last 3 to 4 years. Another example, too, from this is CIBC has its own structured note app on phones, which a plethora of information and ideas and client-related material on there. So from advisors to our investors themselves, all or most of this is available to them. So it's on them and on us to continue to promote and have the education further increase within that band. If we're able to do so, both from the issuer, from the investor, and from the advisor perspective, we think that's a symbiotic relationship. And if we can make that work, our industry will continue to grow.